Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I have some happy mail to share with you guys that I just received, and you guys, I am so excited. Do you guys see all this goodness? This is what came out of the package that my friend Michelle sent me. She went over the top, and I have a video also that she sent me for birthday mail. She does amazing packages. I love how she sends out packages. I just sent her a Valentine's Day package too, but she totally beat me. I loved the mail that I sent her, and it was just one of those mails. And it's so funny because sometimes when we create, you create and you put your time into it, and then when you see it at the end, you kind of want to keep it. You're like, oh my god, this is so cute. And we kind of felt the same way about our happy mail to each other, and that was the funniest thing. But you guys, she sprinkled it with all this beautiful confetti. She sprinkled it with candy. It's just perfect. Michelle, I don't know if you're watching, girl, but if you are, this package is insane and amazing. And I haven't even gone through the envelopes, and you did such a great job. But I want to share with you guys. Let me just stop jibbery jabbering and show you. So she packaged it up with this. It was in a box. And I didn't want to I took it out of the box because I'm impatient. Let's be real. It's just when you get mail, you just want to tear through it. But I didn't go through the envelope, so I'm kind of proud of myself. She put it in this super cute, tissue paper. It was wrapped up in this tissue paper, which I'm totally saving. And then she had it inside this plastic, which I'm also saving. And then all this was sprinkled on top with a bunch of crinkle paper. So we're gonna go through this little canvas bag first. How cute is that? Where'd you get this, girl? This is so cute. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, I think she made me some embellishments. I made her embellishments too. All right, so should I bring my focus up so that you guys can start seeing everything? How cute is this tag? It says Wild Child. I love this. Look at that. Cute yarn. She made me some embellies, some cute little bows. You guys, I'm going to link Michelle down below. She is one talented lady. She can craft her behind off. All my friends are so crafty. All my pen pals. It's amazing. They're so talented. I love to show them off, and I want you guys to go follow her. She sent me some little gems. Oh, I see these beautiful die cuts. Look, you guys. I don't have anything like this. So beautiful. Oh, this is definitely hoarding material. This is hoard status right here. And if you're a crafter like me, you know exactly what I mean. When you get these certain items that you're just yeah, you're not going nowhere. You will be staying with me for a while. You guys, let's me show you this amazingness. And I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to get it all in frame, but we're gonna try to make it work. She made me a banner. Do you guys see this? Let me fix the focus before I forget. Do you see this? This is how long the banner is. Amazing. No one has ever made me a banner. Oh my god, this is so cute. You know I sent you happy mail, but I think I'm gonna have to want to make you one of these because I don't know, I just feel like I want to return the favor. I feel like I need to make you one. This is so cute. I love this so much. You guys, I'm gonna leave you right here for a second. My bell just rang. Give me 2 minutos. here. Okay, I am so sorry about that. But I had to go check that, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the little music that I put in the background while I was gone. But yeah, you guys, oh my god. Do you see this? Isn't this beautiful? Oh my god, I love it so much. I don't know. I don't even want to touch it and ruin it. I'm so excited about this. But yes, Michelle, I feel like I need to make you one back because I've never made anybody a banner. And you made me one, so now I feel like I need to make you one. So let's get into it. We're going to start on this one right here. And look at how she decorated it. I love it so much. This makes me so happy. Okay. I need to put it back right the same way it was because if I don't, oh, this one doesn't have, this is just the beginning of the little thingy. Hold on. This one doesn't have anything inside of it. Oh my god, but it's like a little embellished, is this like an embellished envelope? Oh my god, this is so cute. Let's do this one. This is a little chunky monster. Sequins. Yes. Look at that pretty mix, you guys. You guys seen that? Oh, that's so cute. She made me a little shaker. Yes. You know, I made a bunch of shakers and I totally, like a whole bunch of them, I forgot to put them in my Happy Mail. Because I had so much stuff going around in my room that I totally forgot to include some shakers in some of my pen pals Happy Mails. So if you didn't get a shaker from me, Michelle, which I think you did, but if you didn't, let me know. I got a bunch, girl, that I made for Valentine's. Let's check this one. Ooh, she sent me some goodies. Who doesn't love some goodies? And move the focus back up. Some little ephemera pieces, acetate pieces, chipboard pieces. Yay! Fun! I am going to take everything after the video. I'm going to take everything out and hang this banner on my shelf. If you guys saw my tour, my room tour, I have like a shelf in front of me. This bad boy is going to be there. It needs to be displayed. It makes me so happy. Look at that. She decorated every envelope to the T. She did a great job. Look at these heart rosettes. Oh, girl, you did that by hand or you have like a die or something? I need to get a die because I suck at heart rosettes so bad. Oh my god, it's so cute. Put it this way. Let's open this one. Oh my god, look at that. Look at the little clips. Oh, it says my name. Oh my god, look how cute. Is that a, I think that's a Memory Dex card. You know, you guys, I don't have a Memory Dex. What is wrong with me? I don't know why I haven't purchased one, but I really need one in my life. Because I will be making some cards like crazy. But I don't have one and I need to get one. I might order one tonight. Look at this. I love this. I have like 3 cards already that my pen pals have sent me, but I haven't been able to send one back because I don't have the little system to create them. Let's go right here. Look at that. What an outstanding job she did on decorating these little envelopes. Ooh, she made some tags. Ooh, look at this. I don't have this. Where is this from? Oh my god, I love the pink. So girly. How could you not like pink? My wife hates pink. I don't know how anybody could not. I'm like, what's wrong with you? Like, are you okay up there? Pink is gorgeous. And then the last one, which is this one. Ooh. You guys, isn't her like decorating top notch? That's awesome. She color coordinates everything so good. Oh, she sent me some mint green trim. And I don't have this. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Michelle. Mush, you hear me? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, girl. Like, oh my God, this package is insane. My daughter's gonna steal the candies. This child doesn't let me eat any of my candies that my friends send me. But yeah, you guys, that is my happy mail from her. Let me fix the focus back down. Like, come on. Leave me a comment down below. How amazing is this package? Like, it's just amazing. I am like in total shock. I love it so much. I don't even know how I was able to like not open it till today, because I just was exhausted last night, and I'm shocked that I lasted that long, because when I saw a little sneak peek, I wanted to like dig in. But yeah, you guys, that's my video. I'm sorry if I'm all over the place. I'm trying to film so much today just so that I can have some videos pre-recorded. But yeah, I'm sorry if I sound crazy, but I'm also in a very good mood. I've been very happy this week. And yeah, don't forget to thumbs up. Be happy. Why not? Hit that bell if you want to see more videos from me. And I promise, not the next video, probably the one after, it's going to be a tutorial. I promise. And yeah, bye guys.